anything. Those winds are going to be the course of the weekend. Fortunately, nothing like what we've seen, of course, across the United States of late. This is the remnants of Hurricane Ivan. The winds have really eased now, but it's still bringing some very heavy rain, and that rain heading up towards the Great Lakes. We may even see some at Detroit later on, which may affect the Ryder Cup later on through the day today. But the weather for the Ryder Cup is set fair during the weekend. The winds not really a feature here, unlike what it will be across the United Kingdom. Strong winds tonight, especially across the north, and staying blustery throughout this weekend and even into the early parts of next week. Strong winds, of course, often bring rain, and we've had some of that through the morning this morning, especially across England. This line of clouds bringing quite persistent rain on and off through the morning, and still some damp conditions through the rest of today across southern counties of England. I think fairly light in nature for the most part, but the odd heavier burst moving along the south coast. Brightening up all the while now, though, across Wales and northern England, eastern Scotland, also seeing a little bit of sunshine, but the cloud thickening again across western Scotland and Northern Ireland, turning wet and windy here this evening. Not feeling great, temperatures struggling 17 or 18 Celsius, feeling cooler, of course, because of that breeze, which will really start to pick up across Northern Ireland and western Scotland through this evening. Gales likely here. This area of low pressure bringing in the strong winds and also quite a bit of heavy rain across Scotland and Northern Ireland through the night. But I think really the winds something we need to keep an eye on. Gusts certainly in excess of 50 miles an hour close to the coast, maybe even up to 60 miles an hour of western Scotland and Northern Ireland. Now that wet and quite wild weather will spread into northern England and Wales for the morning. Outbreaks of rain in here. Some drizzly rain maybe in the southeast at first. That will clear away as the line of rain sweeps across from west to east to leave basically a mixture of sunny spells and showers come the afternoon. The showers always most frequent across the northwest, where again the winds will be strongest. Temperatures again struggling somewhat, maybe up to 20 Celsius in the southeast, but feeling cooler because of the wind. Now Sunday's looking quite promising for most of England and Wales. There'll be some decent spells of sunshine in the east, just one or two showers here. Again, more showers across Scotland, particularly in the north. They'll tend to die out, but only because more persistent rain will come in from the northwest. And again, another pretty blustery day. We could see those winds touching gale force later on Sunday. The gales and wet weather will then move southwards, it looks like, into the new working week, turning brighter behind it, but with further blustery showers. So a windy weekend all in all. Anna.
Thanks, Annie.